So I was going to show you how in Photoshop I use split showing. And by split showing, I mean where the highlights and midtones are warm and the shadows are whole. So let me just go over an area. So everything is neutral right now. I have this macro I run called split showing, and what it does is it adds a number of layers. And let's just see what these layers are and what they do. So, one for the highlights, one for the midtones, one for the shadows. Let's look at this shadow one. It is a color balance layer. For the midtones, it does nothing. For the highlights, it does nothing. For the shadows, however, it is a strong blue and some red. It's a little bit red. Right. Now, you can see it really makes them blue. I think excessively so, so I usually, this is where it looks really just cool. Now, here for the midtones, what I have is something that does hit the midtones, doesn't do anything to the shadows or the highlights, but in the midtones, there's some red and there's some yellow making it brown. And I look at this. It's pretty good. I might try just a bit more of the brown, 'cause I think it looks good. Next, we have this layer, which is something doesn't do anything to the midtones, doesn't do anything to the shadows. However, it has some a lot of things that happen, and you'll see it over the horizon, but you will see it right in here. And I usually don't like this layer. I have it, and in fact, I have a way of masking it, but I usually don't like much of this at all. I mean, this is imperceptible. 10% is just just a tiny bit of that. So there's the tones, and they're just very subtle. So blue in here, very definite red, yellow, so a brown in here, and the highlights almost pure neutral. I also have a little here, but I sometimes may add in a little bit of it. It as my best guess that I had before. And I have only a tiny bit of it. I mean, we can see what it does. It's over the top. But you can choose to add that, or you can just ignore that later, which is what I frequently do. And so once we're here, I just take the layer and I flatten it. So I'm gonna just show that hidden, all these hidden layers, and there I have it. That's my son's image, and this is what I will use. Oops. Alright, I'll turn it off now. Find it. There it is. Stop recording.